Hey guys, Marcel here, and today I'm going to talk to you about our crystal candles. Here we have our Inner Wisdom candle, and Inner Wisdom features amethyst, which is one of my favorite crystals of all time. Scented with lavender essential oil, the affirmation is I trust myself, I attract who I am. And this affirmation is actually on the bottom of the candle, so it makes a really great gift. What's so cool about our candles is that you can actually use the wax as a massage oil. I know, it's so cool. And you can also reuse the jar once you're done. There's no glue on the bottom of the wick, so cleanup is super easy, and now you have a beautiful jar that you can reuse. Next up is Aura Cleanse, and Aura Cleanse is such a showstopper, especially if you want to give it away as a gift. This is the handle for the lid, so it's a Moroccan geode. Inside is clear quartz. So good. Lemongrass, clary sage, and grapefruit. The affirmation is I am pure, I am cleansed, I am my natural self. The next candle I'm going to talk about is called Infinite Gratitude, and guys, this smells so good. Inside, you see that? You have the rose quartz inside. You also have the rose quartz on top of the lid. On the bottom, you have an affirmation specific to this candle. And the affirmation for infinite gratitude is I am grateful for all in my life and all that is yet to come. So look at this, guys. This is called labradorite. This is such a cool crystal. If you move it around, you can see that beautiful flash of color right there. So this candle is called Enlightened Path. Inside you have a labradorite as well. This symbolizes fearlessness. The affirmation that goes along with this candle is I am rewarded for taking action and living my life fearlessly. And the candle is scented with peppermint and cinnamon essential oil. This is called True Essence candle. I'm so passionate about this candle, and this candle features Amazonite. Amazonite is a stone of truth, courage, and communication. And the affirmation is I am an effective communicator. I accept my truth. And True Essence features clove and cedar wood essential oil. It smells so good. This is called Blue Vision, and Blue Vision is all about, you guessed it, visualization, focus. And inside you have a sodalite crystal. On top you have a blue kyanite. The scent, guys, is incredible. We actually use 3 different essential oils for this candle: lemon, juniper, and basil. Yes. The affirmation is I see it, I feel it, it's all happening. Oh man, I love this scent. All of these are handmade, one of a kind, and they ship free. Thanks so much for watching. Peace and gratitude.